welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. Back with another unboxing. I'm very happy because we have 2 boxes to unbox today. I usually just unbox like 1 box whenever I do an unboxing. That was a lot of boxes. But I'm really happy to have 2 of them here for you today. One is coming from Momoplantshop on Etsy. She is the Etsy shop that I got my Mirabilis from on my birthday, and she's also the person that I got my Sarawak from. I bought a unknown ID Hoya from Momoplantshop and a botanica from Kenzie's Girl on Instagram. I made like a giant Hoya wish list that is just ridiculous, but I am so happy that I'm gonna be unboxing these with you guys today. But yeah, let's just open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. And she sent 2 plants. She actually reached out to me. I was really hoping that she wasn't gonna do this because I feel so guilty when people send me things for free. It's like but I will say that whenever I got my Sarawak from Momoplantshop, it was actually my boyfriend who bought the plant from her. Like, it was my boyfriend. My name was nowhere on it. In no possible way would she have known that I was the one that was getting that plant. And she actually did send an extra cutting with that plant, and it was a Memoria, and it's super beautiful, and it's been the only Memoria that I have gotten as a cutting that has rooted for me. I've had 3 Memorias before, and all of them have died, except that one. So that just kind of goes to show how good her plants are. Okay, let's just open it. Let's open it, because maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so this plant is the No ID Hoya. So she said that she thought that it could be a quinquenervia. I think that's how you pronounce it. But that she wasn't sure, so that's why she was selling it as like a No ID. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. In my Veiny Hoyas video, I mentioned that I was kind of like on the hunt for plants that looked like Fredji eyes. I'm pretty certain that this is not a Fredji eye. It has like a larger leaf shape and a different leaf shape, and the veins are pretty different. So I'm very, very happy about this. There's new growth on this, and it looks like it's gonna survive the mail, so I'm super happy with this plant. But let's get into the other one. People are too nice. People are too nice to me. I feel very spoiled. I am just very grateful. You guys don't understand. I'm so grateful for you guys and my channel and people who watch my videos. Oh my goodness. So this is a cutis porcelana. This plant has been on my list for a while now. And she's so pretty. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm gonna cry. She did not have to send this to me for free. I did not pay for this plant. This is too beautiful. She said that she was still like currently rooting it and like wanted it to be really good before she sent out the plant, and I was expecting her to like make a listing for me. This is another plant that looks very Fredji-esque is how I'm like calling it. Like, the veins are very like tiny and intricate and pretty. The foliage on this plant, however, is not the selling point of it. It is the super adorable like bell-like flowers that it has. I am not a huge flower girl, but I've gotten to the point where I have a significant amount of Hoyas, right? And it's gotten to the point where now I've gotten to bloom so many Hoyas, and it's kind of like my goal now to make all of them bloom. So I have been a lot more interested in flowers lately. And this guy's so cute. They're both so pretty. I'm so happy. I don't feel like I deserve them. I don't feel like I deserve them. Definitely, if you guys are on the market for rare Hoyas, check out Momoplantshop. she's really nice. She's really nice, and like I said, it wasn't just because I make videos. It was because she's like a genuinely nice person. I know that her and Hoya How are friends. Like, they have beautiful plants. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see these babies? Do y'all see them? I adore them. She actually restocks more often than a lot of Etsy Hoya sellers, so seriously, like, you should favorite her shop. They tend to go a little bit quickly. I know that the last restock, she did still have a few plants left, and I considered buying another plant. But I know she was selling some violas. Like, her prices are pretty fair. I really like her plants, and I will continue buying from her. But yeah, these plants, gorgeous, beautiful, amazing, so nice, so pretty. But okay, let's get into this other box. Look how big this plant is! Oh my god! So this plant is a Hoya botanica from Kenzie's Girl on Instagram. Her name is Sandra. She is a nurse. She's very sweet. She's also a Hoya head like a lot of us are, and whenever she offered to sell me this plant, I was like, yes, I need this plant. Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh my god, I can't believe I can't believe how pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm actually should be getting some soil today, so I'm like going to repot her into some nice fresh soil, and I hope she's happy with me because like she definitely took a trip. I love her. Once again, this is a Hoya botanica. I always try and buy this on Gardeno's whenever Gardeno's restocks, and they never have it in stock now. I don't understand why, but it's so pretty. The foliage is so nice. It has some like baby leaves in here. It has so many nodes. Definitely one of the largest Hoyas that I've ever bought. Yeah. Sandra, you are a beautiful soul. Thank you so much for selling me this plant. So she also sent me this cutting along with the plant. She did not need to do that, obviously. Like, I feel like I already got like an amazing price on this, so sending me a little cutting of something else was just too sweet. I'm honestly not sure what this plant is, and I feel like a terrible Hoya person for not being able to identify it. But it is super, super, super cute, so thank you so much, Sandra. I think you go by Sandy, but super, super sweet. I'm feeling like extra love nowadays. Like, I love you guys so much. You do not understand. You do not understand. Thank you so much for watching and supporting and everything. I really, really, really appreciate all of you. I feel like if it weren't for my channel, I wouldn't get fun plants like this. But that is actually going to be it for the unboxing today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!